All right, guys, my second place was still a swamp. That's what I'm having trouble with where I'm at. Everything's a swamp. So I come down to one of my old farms I've been hunting for years. It's actually kind of high and dry. For some reason, right here around the edge, they chopped it all up. I mean, the rest of the field is just smooth. And there's no swamp here. Well, down by the end of the road where I park my truck it is. But anyway, just dig a hole here about 8-9 inches. Got this button. It's a 2-piece. I don't see there's some kind of design onto it, but I can't make it out. I'm gonna get home and get my really good little light thing onto it. See if I can get it to show any details. Where'd it go? There it is. Anyway, that's what I've got so far, and we'll see y'all at the bottom next hole. Thanks for watching. Well, I found me a couple more buttons. Found a nickel, just a clad nickel. A couple flat buttons. They're pretty old, but nothing special about them. And I just got this hole here about, I don't know, 5 or 6 inches down, right next to where they've plowed a little of the edge right here. They plowed either side of the road, just turned it over, it looks like. So I'm walking back up towards my truck way up there, and back up here where the old cemetery was, and there was a house in that woods there at one time, but I've never been able to find it. So much glass and bottles and bottle caps in there, I can't even get through it all. Anyway, just found this here on the side of the road. So I haven't been too bad. A lot of walking, good exercise, pretty day. Pretty day after all that rain and snow we had. All right, we'll see you at the bottom next hole. Thanks for watching. Well, I don't know if that recorder is going to go or not, but anyway, I'll give it a second shot. About 6 inches down. I done pulled it out and cleaned it because I thought I was already recording. But I got a mercury down, so patience pays off. I'm getting shade here a little bit and see if I can get a date. It's like 45. Yep, 1945. All right, well, at least I didn't get completely shut out on silver today. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you at the bottom next hole. All right, guys, got a hole here 7-8 inches down. It's kind of nasty, drizzly, but in between, I'm out here at the old hospital field. Just got this. It's a coin, but I'm having a hard time making it out. I'll try to put my glasses on, but it's gonna get all wet. I can't make it out. Anyway, I'll try to give you a few pictures of it, or I'll do it better when I get back to the truck. All right, we'll see you at the bottom next hole. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, been out here for about half hour, 45 minutes. Got that coin a while ago. I still haven't figured out what it is, but just got me another 3-ringer. It's been fired. She's all smashed up. This makes, I think 7 from here where the old hospital was. So, Civil War Hospital, 3-ringer bullet. Alright guys, we'll see y'all at the bottom next hole. Thanks for watching. Alright, been a little bit, but the hole about 5 inches, maybe 6. And got another one. So this makes either 8 or number 9. It's been fired. Nice. Alright guys, we'll see y'all at the bottom next hole. Thanks for watching.